Guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we're driving through Crossroads today, and as you know, the intersection with Retirement Road and Half a Tree Road is closed for renovation, so we are going back up to the center of Crossroads, but we have to use Studio 1 Boulevard or 1 Studio Boulevard as the alternate route because that road is closed. So we're now heading towards Slipe Road, and we are on Studio 1 Boulevard. This is one of the alternate routes. So the intersection is closed, that we said intersection of Retirement Road and Half a Tree Road. It's closed so that they can fix the drainage. They're putting in like a new culvert, and it's supposed to take 3 months. It's not that major a project, it's just basically to fix the drainage at that intersection. Okay, if we turn right, that would take us down to the KPH Hospital. We're going to go, well, we're heading towards Slipe Road, which is the road at the intersection of our head. Now we turn left, we go towards the center of Half a Tree where you have Carib Theatre, the police station, the bus park. If we turn right, we go over Torrington Bridge and head towards downtown Kingston, or you can also head towards National Hero Circle. So we're going to turn left and head towards center Crossroads. Okay, so this is now Slipe Road, and Crossroads got its name because this is where the 4 main roads intersect, which is Slipe Road, which we're on, Hope Road, Caledonia Avenue, and Half a Tree Road. Now, where those roads intersect, which is straight ahead, is also geographically the center of Kingston. So it was called Crossroads because that is where all these roads crossed, and it was the center of Kingston. It's a very busy area. You have a lot of schools in the area, so the children would come here to get a bus, and most times in the afternoon you see a lot of children out by the bus park. I also have a lot of business places. Well, there were some of the banks, like Scotia Bank, they've closed their branch in Crossroads. I'm not sure why, because it seems to be one of the busier branches, but I'm not sure if the NCB branch is still open. But you have a lot of other business places. The Carib Theatre, which is coming up on the left, that tall building. That's like an iconic landmark in Jamaica. Once you say Carib Theatre, everybody knows where you're talking, and it's probably the most popular landmark in Crossroads. So straight ahead on the right, where you see that red banner, that used to be the Scotia branch, but they have ATMs there now, so the ATM still operate. Now the banks in Jamaica have gotten very high tech. So you have machines now that can literally operate as a teller. So some banks, the machines can actually take deposits, can physically put cash. You don't need an envelope. You just put the cash in the machine and it updates immediately. So according to the banks, this new technology has basically they're saying they don't need as many branches, and the branches are expensive to operate, and so they said they're closing some of them. So let's see what happens. Okay, so straight ahead on the right, that's the NCB branch, but it looks like it's still operating because somebody just came out the door. Somebody's going in now. Well, sometimes you go in and in the lobby you have the automated machines. So if anybody knows if the branch is actually open, you can leave a message in the comment section. It seems to have a lot of ATMs over there, which is good. That's how it's supposed to be. You shouldn't have to go to an ATM and there's a line of 10, 15 people and you have to wait half an hour. You should be able to go to the ATM and go right in. So I like this idea of 4 or 5 ATMs right beside each other. Alright, we seem to be caught in some serious traffic, and I'm just assuming, because the traffic is not usually this bad. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, it's a weekday, school hasn't let out, well, most schools haven't let out yet, so I'm not sure what's causing this traffic. Could be the closure of the intersection at Retirement Road, and Halfway Tree Road is backing up the traffic, but I can't imagine it would affect the traffic going straight onto Hope Road. Okay, on the left is a Carib Theatre. You can see actually the movies that are showing. They have a board on the outside. I haven't heard of any of those movies. Or I shouldn't say I haven't heard of them. None of those are on my list to watch. But with this whole COVID epidemic or pandemic, I haven't been to the movies since COVID hit. Not even thinking about it. I'm sure if persons visit the movies a lot anymore. Alright, well, this traffic seems, I'm not sure what's going on with the traffic, so I have no idea. But it's some very heavy traffic. We've barely moved in the last few minutes. So I think we'll just end it here. We wanted to drive through the entire, or a little more crossroads, but traffic is so heavy, so we'll have to do it in another video, at another time. Okay, you see this car now coming out, trying to get into this lane, and they are blocking one of the lanes coming down. That's just something that happens all the time. That's just an example of the indiscipline and how people drive bad in the roads. Okay, the traffic is moving a little better now. On the left is the Halfway Tree bus park. Call it bus stop. Crossroads bus stop. Did I say Halfway Tree? Sorry. Crossroads bus stop. As you can see, it's not really that busy now, so I don't know what is causing this traffic. Okay, at this intersection where you see the light, that is where the 4 roads cross or meet. So we're on Snipe Road. If we go straight across, that's Hope Road. If we turn left, that's Halfway Tree Road. And if we turn right, that's Caledonia Avenue. So this is where the 4 major roads intersect. The only other place really where you have 4 main roads like this intersecting is Halfway Tree. And if you're wondering why they have these permanent barricades, the metal barricades right here on the right, it's to prevent people from crossing the road and blocking up the traffic in order to get to the bus park or the bus stop. So if you can see where there's a pedestrian crossing, there is a break in the metal barricade. So that is where people are supposed to park. To pass, sorry, to cross. But that man just went right across the pedestrian crossing, and the people are on the pedestrian crossing and the cars are coming down. Now, I don't know who is wrong here. The pedestrian crossing must, well, I don't know if it's, no, I don't see any light saying walk or don't walk, but I always knew that the person in the pedestrian crossing has a right of way, so those cars should have stopped. But I don't know, maybe it's, I don't know, but what just happened a while ago didn't look right. You had people in the pedestrian crossing, one man actually went across, and cars coming down. Somebody has a right of way there, and I think it's the pedestrian. It's a pedestrian crossing. So if anybody can leave a comment about it in the section below, then I guess you could also say that people should wait till the light is red to cross. I don't know, but something definitely didn't look right. Alright, so if we turn left, that's Halfway Tree Road, and the road is clear by the retirement intersection. So I really don't know what is causing the traffic back up here, but we're now on Hope Road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.